Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to show you the Stanley Cook and Prep set.
You want bacon cheeseburger?
Okay, so here's the deal. I shot some of this video at Fernbarks, but I wasn't happy with the way I did it. So I'm going to redo it here at the park, even though there's a whole family right behind my camera making a whole bunch of noise. But we'll just have to make best with what we have. Alrighty. So I've been keeping mine in the Hidden Woodsman bush pot bag, which honestly I don't remember if he still carries these. I hope he brings them back because they're really great bags and it fits in here perfectly. I mean, look at that. Perfect fit. So keeps everything nice, doesn't rattle. So here's the set. I'm gonna pull out my my little notes here. So the total weight of this with everything is 1 pound 10 ounces. The lid is okay, not the lid. So it comes with a lid, naturally. It comes with these two, they're for the bowls, but I've actually improvised them as cutting board because they'll hold a hamburger perfectly, with the exception of this little spot here. It comes with a spatula, or a ladle, excuse me, and a spatula, and these two connectors. So if you're doing like sort of a soup or a stew, you could just hook that on, dish out whatever it is you're using, or just keep it short and you can still get out. Although it's not that great, it's not that huge of a pot, so, but its option is there if you want it. Has these two pretty decent bowls. So the bowls by themselves, these weigh 3.5 ounces each, but you could use this as a cup too. Use it as a cup to drink your tea, beverages, whatever, and then also use it as a bowl to eat your food out of. Which I've eaten, food out of this, was great. So you get two of these bowls, and then you have your lid that goes with it. So if you're worried about getting stuff falling into it, like, I don't know, pine needles, or if it was windy and you want to get dirt in there, so you have that. The hole might be kind of a problem, but who knows. But you could also still probably drink with the lid on and then sit there and drink out of it. So, or eating a soup or ramen or something. So you have options. See, the weight of the lid is 1.6 ounces each. The utensils are 3.8 ounces, but if you only wanted to bring these two parts, you could leave the rest at home or just leave it all at home. Who knows? Wow. Okay. Like right when I turn the camera on. So the pot by itself is 9.9 ounces. It's a pretty big pot. It has measurements on the side. 40 ounces. I like cooking in here. I cooked a couple of Knorr meals in here now. And it's nice flat bottom. Works well on the stove. It has lots of room to make things, which I dig. So, and then everything just nests down in here together, which is a little bit of a pain getting in there at times, but I mean, it nests pretty well once you kind of figure out how to get it in there. But overall, I really like the set. I forgot to mention the pot has holes here for draining fluids, like if you're boiling soup or you're doing some kind of bushcraft tea, you're steeping something, and you want to pour the water off, you get the holes for it, so you can just hold the lid on, hold it on like this, pour the water out. I think it's a great set. I got this, it was REI was $30, but they were doing a clearance, so it was only 20 bucks. For everything you get, I think it was well worth it. Because I could leave one of these at home and just bring one of the lids. I would probably leave the utensils home, which I've done, and just brought out one bowl. So I could just do this, drop it down in there. I could put maybe food or spices down in there. I even have a little room on top for something small. I just carry that by itself. The handle locks in there pretty steady, and it's got the ring here so you can bring it down and prevent it from opening. A little safety feature so don't burn the crap out of yourself. So far I've had it on a few outings. I really like it. I've been kind of just mixing it up with the other silverware I have, or the cook pots I have, and I kind of really like this one. Big enough for a couple of people. So like maybe one of you could carry the cook set, and the other one of you could carry the food, and kind of just work out the weights between yourselves. So, all right, there you go. I really like it. Thanks for watching.